For running Angular, these are the basic prerequisites. First, you got to download and install Node.js. Get the latest version, which is recommended. Then you have to go to the angular.io/CLI, the website, and it's going to give the steps on how to install a basic Angular application. And then you need a Visual Source editor like code.visualstudio.com/download. Um, you need something of that sort. So let's get started. First, you install Node. When we install Node.js, let's go to the PowerShell. Let's go to the Windows PowerShell. And let's go to C:, make the first application. Right? And then let's go to the application. And then in order to create a new application, you do ng new. The command is new. And then let's create a new application, which is first app. Say yes, you want to add Angular routing, and then you can select SCSS. So it's going ahead and creating our new Angular application. So if you look at it, it's creating all these packages like say angular.json, package.json, tsconfig. It creates the boilerplate code for you, so you don't need to write it yourself, and also it gets you the list of basic dependencies for all your components. There you go, our application is created. So let's try to open it in Visual Source Studio. So we go here, we open a folder, and then we want to go to C:, and then let's go to first app. So it brings out all the, yes, I trust the authors. And you can go, you get a list of all your Angular packages. Angular.json, so you look at it, the first keyword is projects, right? It's all under projects. Under projects, you have your first ang type. It's an application, your root. Then you have the build component. Then you have the serve, extract 118n, and then you have the test component. So these four comprise angular.json. And if you go to package.json, this gives you the list of all the dependencies which are downloaded by default. Dependencies, and you have your dev dependencies. DevKit CLI and Angular CLI, compiler CLI. So now let's go to terminal. And then we created the apps, and now what we need to do, we need to build. That's the ng build. Let's go down to the, it opens the directory by default. And you can do ng build, sorry. This would be under first app. And let's do ng build here. So it's going ahead and building it based on your what does it do in build? Let's check here. It builds your browser bundle, right? Builder, it builds your Angular browser bundle options. This is going to be your output path, dist first Ang app, and this is going to be your index.html file, and this is going to be your main TypeScript file. So it's done, and if you look, this directory has been created here. This is your compilation directory, and then you do an ng serve. So ng new, ng build, and then ng serve, and it's going to go deploy your application. There you go. And if you go now, if I go and click on this and open my browser, my first Ang app is running. So this is how you deploy your first Angular application.